Welcome to the channel. I'm doing this little intro for another video that my brother did. He is installing a set of Goldstrike passenger comfort highway pegs for his wife. Whoa. Thunder out there. But anyway, yeah, so he's installing some highway pegs from Goldstrike on his 2022 Goldwing. I just want to put out there that I am an affiliate with Goldstrike and Zero 3D, so there will be a link below. If you choose to use the link to purchase, there's no extra charge to you, but I will receive a small commission if you choose to use that link. Just wanted to put that out there. But anyway, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Alright, so I'm back over here in my garage. I got some highway pegs for my passenger. They're gloss black, obviously. Basically, what happens is they install right here. It's a very simple process. You just take this plate off here. You're going to use the same bolts to put it back in, basically. And they just mount right here. And gives your passengers an ultra spot where they can put their feet. And they do tuck up, so they shouldn't be too much of a problem on the driver. I'm going to take it apart and take everything out of the box and see how things go. I'll show you how as I go. Okay, I have everything unboxed now, at least in the still in the wrapper right now. But the instructions are pretty straightforward. Just wanted to show them to you just to make sure. But basically, take off the old plate, put the new plate on, using the same screws. Then you work on putting a little stopper plate in this. The one thing I'm a little kind of irked about is I bought the black set. You see all this black stuff, right? And then the adapter is just steel. It's not black coated at all. It's kind of weird. So you're going to have black on black, but then you're going to have a little peg sticking out that's steel. I mean, it's okay, I guess, but it's going to look cool. It would be nicer if it was actually black, like everything else they did. I have the rest of their set. I have, their floorboards, and the adapter on that was, black. This is black. Even their highway pegs, the adapter is black. It looks like the same kind of deal. I might have to mention that to Goldstrike, and not very happy about that, but well, let's see how things go together. All right, first step is to remove these 3 bolts. They are 5mm, and then you reuse the same bolt to put it back in. So I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so that's what it looks like when you have it back on. They do recommend putting some blue Loctite on these. And they have, of course, the instructions say like 3.5 foot-pounds, which is like nothing. Just do it, hand tight. Don't go overboard, but don't, make it so super loose. And then I'm gonna get the other side on, and then I'll show you the next step. I went ahead and assembled the rest of the pieces. As you can see here, I have it all back together. The instructions are really simple. Basically, you just put everything, follow instructions to the T. It's rather simple, and then I'm going to wait to mount it all with the last bolts and washers to the bike until I can have the wife on the back seat here and kind of gauge it a little bit, get it in a ballpark where she wants it. I'll probably do that tomorrow morning when she's here. So I have them installed now, as you can see. I did have the wife kind of come out and take a look at them, see how they worked for her. Well, we're gonna have to give it a try and see how she likes the setup. They're kind of far forward, but we're gonna see how they work on the ride, and then we'll go from there.